Hello there Timberwolves, and welcome back to Mrs. C's Virtual Music Room. I hope that you're all doing well, staying home, staying happy and staying healthy so that we can get back to making music together soon. So today I've got a book and a song for you about ears and about a dog that needs a home. Today's lesson was inspired by this young lady. This is Callie, and it's her gotcha day today. We adopted her 2 years ago today. And if you look carefully, she's got wonky ears. She's always got one ear up and one ear down. Look, and again. We should have called her Wonky. So today's lesson was brought to you, inspired by young Callie on her gotcha day. So say bye-bye to Callie and say hello to the other Mrs. C's so we can do up. Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cunnings. So listen to it, listen to my song. Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. So the words just repeat twice. Listen again. Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can you sing it with me this time? Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. Let's find out about this young little boy's search for a home, shall we? Can I be your dog?
Dear people at the yellow house.
Woof! Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home.
I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first.
Shall we find out what the yellow house said?
Dear Arfie, we are so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is allergic to dogs, you see. Oh, good luck in your search. The Honeywells.
Oh.
Dear butcher lady, can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Arfie. Look, pal, we've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dried giblets and good luck finding a home. Aww.
I think he ate the giblets, so he probably liked them.
Dear Station number 5, can I be your dog? I need your home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way round a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street, and yours is the shiniest. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5.
Oh.
Dear junkyard guy, I'm not gonna lie. You're my next to last choice, but these past few days have been rough. Rough. So please, can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie.
What do you think, guys?
Dear Mutt, get lost. Well, that's not very nice, is it? Poor Arfie. Dear last house on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky. I'm just lonely. Arfie. Oh, I didn't even read it, look. Return to sender. Arfie, the soggy dog in the alley. Last house on Butternut Street. Oh. Oh. I think Arfie's very sad. He's left out in the rain, in his box. This time, look, Arfie's received a letter. I wonder who it could be from. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what. Snow, rain, heat and gloom of the night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-rate partner. With hugs and head scratches. Misty Whipple, the letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the big blue mailbox. She's waiting for him, look. How cute is that? Arfie found a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home. Can I be your dog? I need a home.
I hope you liked my books today. Remember, Timberwolves, stay well, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, stay home. And we'll be back in school in the music room before you know it. Bye, guys.